Welcome to the Redats channel. My name is Hubert, and in today's video I will show you how to balance steel and aluminium wheels on the W-650 wheel balancer using the 12 o'clock adhesive weight placement mode as well as the laser guided adhesive mode. Let's get started. We will start by balancing a steel wheel. After cleaning and inflating the wheel, we move on to mounting it on the balancer. First, we select a cone that fits the centering hole in the rim and place it on the end of the shaft. Then we mount the wheel and tighten it with a nut. Let's start entering the parameters. Place the round part of the arm under the rim edge and hold it in place. When dashes appear on the first and third displays, put the arm down. Next, we take a caliper and measure the width of the rim. Place it from rim to rim. In our case, the wheel is 6 inches wide. We enter this value into the machine using the plus and minus buttons under the B symbol on the keypad. All that remains is to remove the old weights and close the cover. The balancing machine informs us that to balance this wheel, we will need 25 grams on the left and 25 grams on the right. We lift the cover and set the imbalance location. We have the left side, we take the weight, in our case 25 grams, and apply it exactly at 12 o'clock. We turn the wheel to set the second imbalance point. Here we have 25 grams. We take the weight, apply it also at 12 o'clock, and close the cover. The balancer showed 0-0, which means that the wheel is balanced. We remove the steel wheel and move on to the alloy wheel. Just like before, after cleaning and inflating the wheel, we start by selecting the proper cone and placing it on the shaft. Then put the wheel on and tighten it with a nut. We then check the rim for any old wheel weights. If there are any, they must be removed and clean off any adhesive residue. Once the rim is clean, we can start entering the parameters. There are some differences here depending on the program we are going to use. We will start with how to enter parameters for the ALU1, ALU2, and ALU3 programs. We position the measuring arm with its round part under the edge of the aluminium wheel. When the indicator bars appear on the first and third display, we return the arm to the machine. Next, take a caliper and place it on the left side of the rim and on the right side approximately at the height of the tire tread, then read the width from the caliper. In our case, the wheel is 8 inches. We enter this value into the machine using the plus and minus buttons under the B symbol on the keypad. Once you have entered these parameters, simply close the cover. In the ALU-S program, the parameters are entered only with the machine's measuring arm. We do not use a caliper for this. First, place the measuring arm on the adhering point of the left weight. When the indicator bars appear on the first and third displays, do not put the extension arm back into the machine, but slide it deeper into the rim and place it on the bonding point of the second weight. When the display shows ALU-S, we return the arm to the machine. In this mode, the machine does not read the parameters of the entire wheel, but the exact location of the weights, which is why the first display shows us the distance of the left weight from the machine. The second display shows us the distance of the right weight from the machine, and the third display shows us the diameter at which the left weight will be applied. Additionally, after holding the Find button, we will see a fourth measurement that shows us the diameter at which the right weight will be attached. Once we have entered the parameters and know what they mean, we can close the cover to weigh the wheel. We have 35 grams on the left side and 30 grams on the right side. We lift the cover and turn the wheel to set the imbalance point. On the left side, we take the weight and apply it at the 12 o'clock position. We then rotate the wheel to set the second imbalance position. On this side, we have 30 grams. We take the weight and apply it again at the 12 o'clock position. We can close the cover to check. The balancer showed us 0, 0, so the wheel is balanced. Now we will balance this wheel once more, but this time using the laser pointer. We remove the weights from the left and right sides and close the cover again. We have 35 grams on the left and 30 grams on the right. To activate the laser mode, we press the two buttons Stop plus Alu simultaneously. 3 lines appear on the central display. Turn the wheel to find the point of imbalance. We have the left side. On this side, we need to apply 35 grams. We press the brake, take the weight, insert it into the slot in the measuring arm, and extend it into the wheel. A bar appears above the display, informing us how far we are from the point where we are to stick the weight. When we hear a signal and the bar starts flashing, we lift the arm up to apply the weight. We release the brake and set the second side. The procedure is the same. We lock the wheel with the brake, take the weight, insert it into the slot, and push the arm into the wheel while observing the bar above the second display. When the arm reaches the correct position, we lift it upwards to attach the weight. We release the brake and can close the cover to check. We have 0, 0, so the wheel is balanced. This is how the Redats W-650 wheel balancer handles the balancing of steel and aluminum wheels. If you are interested in other videos featuring this or any other machine from our range, feel free to visit our channel.